After some time, you'll have your first swapped video. Hey there, welcome to today's YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to share an interesting method with you. Did you know that many digital influencers on platforms like Instagram and TikTok are not real? Yes, you heard it right. They are actually fake and made by AI. In this era of AI, anything is possible. So, in today's video, I will show you how to create hyper-realistic Instagram influencers using AI. But that's not all. I will also share a method to generate a passive income with these AI influencers. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, we need a good name for our Instagram account. To generate a good name, we can use various websites or even chat with GPT. Give GPT a prompt to provide 10 Instagram influencer name suggestions. GPT will suggest some names for the influencer channel, but since we want to create a personal account, let's enter another prompt. Simply ask GPT to give you 10 girl names. Now that we have our name, it's time to set up an account on Instagram. If you don't have an account, you can create one with your Facebook or email account. Once you're logged in, customize your account by changing the name, creating a unique username, and uploading a profile picture. Wait, we don't have a profile picture. No worries, we'll create a fake character using Leonardo AI. If you're new to Leonardo AI, create an account using your Google or Gmail account. Select the photo reel as the featured model and enter a detailed prompt. You can use the prompt I provided in the description box. Once generated, download one of the images as your profile photo. Now that our account is ready, let's upload the profile picture and add a bio to our new Instagram account. Great, our account now looks like a real account, but we need more content. It's difficult to generate consistent characters with any image generator, so we'll use an alternative called TensorArt. You can check out my previous video on TensorArt for more details and a link in the description box. With TensorArt, you can create an estimated 100 images per day for free. Once you're on the TensorArt dashboard, find and select the Epic Realism Face model. Scroll down to find images created by this model, and select one similar to your model image created by Leonardo AI. Click on the Remix button, and customize the settings by increasing the image number and changing the aspect ratio. After everything is set, hit the Generate button. Your image is ready. Generate more images by removing the base image and changing the prompt. Now that you have a collection of images, download them to your device. However, the images might not match exactly with your original model. To solve this issue, we'll use an AI tool called InSkip Swap for face swapping. You can use any swap tool. Follow the instructions to create a save ID, upload the model image, and swap faces between the images generated by TensorArt and your model image. Once you have a large number of images with the same look and face, it's time to upload them to your Instagram account. Your account now looks even more authentic. But what about Reels? We won't record any Reels ourselves. Instead, we'll use others' Reels. Find Reels with similar body shapes and hair colors. Download those Reels. To swap faces in the real videos, you'll need to run a Google Colab notebook. I'll provide the link in the description box. Follow the steps in the notebook to install the necessary dependencies and upload your targeted reels and source image. Make sure to rename the files properly without any spaces or special characters. Run the notebook. And after some time, you'll have your first swapped video. Repeat the process for all your videos. Now you can upload the reels to your Instagram account. It looks just like a real account. But how can you increase your followers quickly? Analyze similar accounts and follow their followers. When you follow them, they'll likely follow you back, helping you increase your followers rapidly. And there you have it. Now, you can start promoting offers with your AI-generated Instagram account and earn passive income. This method can also be applied to TikTok and other social media platforms. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating.